Welcome to Simple Learning. Now we are going to discussing about how we can install Cisco Packet Tracer software on your mobile phone. You all know about Cisco Packet Tracer. The software is used for networking. Means it's a practicing software for network engineers and networking candidates to practice how to configure networking devices. Okay, we can simply install Cisco Packet Tracer on our Android mobile phone. We can download and install it from our Google Play Store. Here I installed Cisco Packet Tracer. You can see on my mobile. I just click on the Packet Tracer. Wait for a while. The Packet Tracer is starting, and we got a splash screen like this. And the Packet Tracer on mobile is loading. We can log on to this session as guest login, or we can log into the page. For login session, we actually need an ID, an email address, and also a password. We don't have a login credential, then we can log in as a guest login user. Click on the guest login. Then we got a window like this. You just click on the new icon, means the new tab. Then there's a message on the top right of the screen. Just tap on the workspace to start. I just tap on the workspace. I got a new round icon, contains network routers, switches, wireless, multi-select, hub, security, and devices like that. It's quite simple to use the packet tracer on our mobile phone. If you want to construct a scenario, we just click on the router and we got different types of routers, means different series of routers. We just click on 1941 or 1841 or 2820. We can select any router. I just click on the 1841 router, and that router is placed on the screen. For my scenario, I got one router. I drag the router on the left corner, left side. Again I tap on the screen. Then click on the router. I click another router, 1941. Just drag on the screen. Then again click router. Click the router icon. Again click 1841 router. Just drag and place in an order. Again tap on the screen. Click on the router. Click 1941. You can use any series of routers as per your requirements. Okay. Then we got 4 routers and I placed on the screen. Okay. Then we want to provide connections, means media. We want to connect cables to transfer information or updates from one router to another router. Okay. For that, let's click on the router. Here we got an auto connect section. Here when we click on the router, we got the console line CLI, command line interface, because routers are providing command line interface. Our computers and mobile phones are providing graphical user interface to configure the device, but routers and networking devices are providing command line interface. Okay, now we are going to provide connections from router to router. We just click on auto connect section, then click on next router. It's auto connected. Okay, then again click on the auto connect, tap the destination device to auto connect. I tap the destination device, it gets auto connected. Then again connect on the route, auto connect. Click on the router, it gets auto connected. Okay, if you want to place a switch, then click on the desktop screen. You can click on the switch. There are some type of switches: layer 2 switches, layer 3 switches. I click on a layer 2 switch 2960. I place it on the screen, means below the first router, and I want to auto connect again. It gets connected. Okay, you have no confusion about the connecting. It gets auto connect. Then click on the router. You can see the command line interface section. Click on the command line interface section. You can see the router's command line interface. Here there is a dialog box. Means the first question: would you like to configure dialog wise or not? Here we press no. You can see the right side of the corner. Yes, enter, no, like that. Either you can type the screen or you can simply press the no tab. I just press the no tab and the no command is placed on the screen, and plus enter. I just press enter. Then you can simply goes to the next mode, means the first starting mode, routers user mode. Okay, here we can give the command enable and press enter, goes to another mode. Then the configure terminal command, enter, it goes to the configuration mode. Likewise, we can simply configure the networking processes using the Cisco packet tracer on your mobile. Okay, you can configure multiple sessions. Here I am giving you just the introduction how we can install Cisco packet tracer on your mobile and how we can start the sessions on your mobile. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.